अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद रमीज़ भट्टी। सिग्नेचर रिव्यूज़ के एक और एपिसोड के साथ हम आए हैं वापस H&S रेजिडेंस। लास्ट टाइम हमने आपको H&S रेजिडेंस के बारे में बताया था, अबाउट द टावर, अबाउट द एमिनिटीज, अबाउट द लाइफस्टाइल दैट H&S इज ऑफरिंग, द डेवलपर, द आर्किटेक्ट निकिन सकी। तो आज जो हम पर्टिकुलरली बात करेंगे फॉर द 37, 38 एंड 39th फ्लोर, एंड दैट इज द पेंट हाउस। टू टॉक अबाउट द पेंट हाउस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस ज़रमीना। अस्सलाम ज़रमीना।
Assalamualaikum Rameez, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? How are you?
Great too.
तो ज़मीना, last time आपको याद है कि we talked about the project, the developer, the architect, that is Nikin Saki. What is the philosophy behind the tower? आज हम बात करेंगे purely about the penthouse. That is on the 37, 38 and 39th levels. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा बताइए कि what are you offering and why are you offering?
Yeah.
And to whom are you offering?
Yes. So the penthouses are the most exclusive units in the whole tower. Okay. They're on a separate floor plate. You know, when we start from 7th floor till it's on 30th and 31st floor.
Okay.
31st and 32nd floor, sorry.
हम 31st और 32nd floor क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
Basically 31st or 32nd floor पे है, and then it has a sky garden along
Okay.
it. And the best part about these units is that it's larger than life. I mean, it's unlike any units, any penthouses in the whole vicinity. And as you know, Nikin Saki, the designer, is by Nikin Saki.
The Japanese designer, yes.
And it speaks, you know, I mean, in the whole tower, it reflects the Japanese philosophy, Nami. I mean, the curve that you see, the 80% glass that has been used. And so the main element that makes the penthouses stand out is basically the infinity pool. The pool size is huge.
अच्छा, ये सॉरी टू कट यू, बेसिकली मैं बात कर रहा हूँ 38 एंड 39 फ्लोर की लेवल की, और ज़मीना वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्लोर्स। तो बेसिकली ज़मीना जो बता रही है वो उन्होंने बेसिकली पार्किंग के जो 7 फ्लोर से और एमिनिटी का जो फ्लोर है वो उसमें से माइनस कर
दिया। Absolutely, you're correct. And so we have 3 units, जिसमें हमारे पास 2 5-bed units हैं, duplex penthouses, and 1 is 4-bed duplex penthouse. And basically they are the triplex. Why? Because it comes along with the sky garden. So basically, it's sky mansion, and it's beautiful. So as you can see, this is the 5-bed. This is full sea facing. This is our type.
Okay, so basically आपका जो पेंट हाउस है आपने उसका मॉडल नीचे बना दिया। Okay,
yes. So this one comes on basically this side. If you can see.
Okay.
This is the side.
Okay, the sea facing.
This is the R type.
Okay.
This is full sea facing.
Okay.
This is 5-bed.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay, good.
So यहाँ पे just so that you can have a look of the minutest details, we have made it over here.
Okay, ठीक है।
So the best part about this penthouse is that it's not just about the layout. Its infinity pool is huge.
Okay.
And its infinity pool, guess what's the size of the infinity?
देखिए, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये आपने ना इसके अंदर थोड़े से बोने बिठा दिए हैं, तो ये 2 से 3 लोग ही आ सकते होंगे इसके अंदर।
No, that's not true.
Okay.
So its size is 22 by 47.
22
by 47.
feet by 47
Yes,
feet.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's huge. It comes along with the beautiful sky garden. You can see where there's a barbecue area. This is the lower level, this is the upper level, and then comes the sky garden.
Okay.
ठीक है? So on this side, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, we have the Q type.
Okay.
Which is partial sea facing. By the way, these 2 are the sky gardens of this particular
of this particular
penthouse.
Okay.
Which is 5-bed. Then comes the 4-bed, which is Q type, and you can see that it also comes with 2 sky gardens.
Okay.
So lower level, upper level, and then the sky garden. So you're having a beautiful panoramic and sea views with your terrace, from your terrace.
अच्छा, मैं इसमें देख रहा हूँ जो दिखा रहे हो, इसमें जो स्काई गार्डन में भी डिवीजन है, तो इसका मतलब कि
separate
for 2 separate
absolutely.
entries.
So this is the S type, which is partial yet again, and this one has been sold. And
Okay.
this one we have, and we have the Q type.
Okay.
And as you can see, it's you can see the curves in it as well, which we talk about the Nikin Saki's design.
Yes.
So the Nikin Saki design also reflects in the layout that we're gonna see inside once we go inside. So it's unlike any other penthouses in the whole vicinity.
Okay.
It stands out because of its layout, and in particular the sky garden, which is beautiful. And when we talk about sky garden, Sky Mansions, you talk about Dubai. The inspiration has been from Dubai market. You see beautiful layouts with such kind of sky gardens. But in Pakistan, you're getting the same Sky Mansion relatively at a lower price.
Okay. So this is the R type and this is the Q type.
This is the Q type.
Okay. And where's the Q type?
So Q type's placement is on that side. You can see. Let me show you. This is the placement of Q type. आप देख सकते हैं.
Okay.
And this is 4 bed. This is partial sea facing. But the good thing about Q type also is that जब इतनी height पे जाता है unit, it automatically becomes full sea facing.
Yeah, because अगर हम 37 फ्लोर की या 38 फ्लोर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो I think easily हम 400 feet की बात करोगे. Tentatively, I am not sure, but I think so शायद.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, Zamina, now can we talk about the apartment
Yes.
and the layout?
Yes, yes. So let's talk about the R type, which is full sea facing.
इसका size कितना है R type का?
It's 13,000 square foot.
13,000 square.
Yes, yes,
So let's talk about the layout now.
yes. So when we talk about the layout of R type, full sea facing, जो इसका lower level है, it's beautifully designed and it has 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
It comes with a living area and the kitchen. And then you see there's a staircase within that apartment
Okay.
and it goes up
सही है.
to the second level, which is the beauty of this apartment. And as it goes upper, on the upper level of this duplex penthouse, so इसमें आप देखते हैं कि ऊपर इसके 3 bedrooms और हैं.
3 bedroom. मतलब
Yes.
basically मैं बात कर रहा हूँ 5 bedrooms की.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. And this is not just a duplex.
Okay.
This luxury unit is not just a duplex, it's a triplex.
Okay.
It comes with the sky garden, beautiful sky garden. So basically in
जिसकी आपने
Dubai,
भी बात की थी कि basically this is
yes,
the entire floor is with the
yeah, it's
with the
basically
penthouse.
a mansion, a sky mansion, you know, as you see in Dubai. So they have come up with this idea, of course, this inspiration from Dubai market, and they have incorporated all those ideas within this penthouse,
Okay.
which is 4 beds as well as 5 beds.
सही है.
And it reflects in its layout, and that's something that which makes it stands out.
अच्छा, अब मुझे बात बताएं. हमने लेआउट की बात कर ली, about the infinity pool की बात कर ली, about the 5 bedroom की बात कर ली, about the grandness of the apartment की and the tower की बात कर ली. हमने last time amenities की बात की थी. So this is a very niche market. ठीक है. A penthouse is a very niche market. तो अगर मैं आपसे बात करूं कि if we talk about Karachi right now or Pakistan right now, तो आप इसको how do you differentiate? What is the why would somebody buy over here and why not in any other tower?
Honestly, when we talk about the sky mansions in Pakistan, in specific in Karachi, there are people who love spending on luxury.
Yes.
So such beautiful panoramic as well as sea views. And I mean, it's worth it in a way that the luxury which you would be getting in Dubai at a higher price, you can get it in Pakistan at relatively a lower price.
That I think that's the point because I think Dubai में ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा you'll
Yes.
get at a very very high price
And to be
for
honest,
what you're offering right now in
yes,
Pakistan.
and to be honest, the sizes when you compare the massiveness of the penthouse, you won't find this kind of square foot size over there at
13,000
this
square
price.
feet. Yes,
Absolutely,
yes, yes.
absolutely.
अच्छा, आपने जो मुझे दूसरा R वाला बताया था उसका साइज क्या था?
So,
जो Q बताया था आपने.
जी,
हाँ.
so the Q type, उसका size हमारे पास 6,000 plus square feet.
Okay, that is also not a bad.
Yes, yes.
6,000 स्क्वायर फीट की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि तकरीबन 600 गज का जो घर होता है ये उसका साइज बनता है बेसिकली. जो प्लॉट का साइज बनता है दैट अप्रोक्सीमेटली उसका साइज बनता है. और 13,000 का मतलब है कि ऑलमोस्ट 1,500 गज का या 1,300 गज का प्लॉट का साइज है एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज साइज.
Yes, yes, yes. And it also comes with, 2-bedroom lower level पे and 2 bedrooms on the upper level, and then of course sky garden.
ओके. अच्छा, हम बिल्कुल लास्ट तक बात कर लेते हैं कि हमें यू आर डिलीवरिंग दिस टावर व्हेन
In 2029.
in 2029. So guys, thank you to Zarmeena for your time again and sharing valuable information
My
with
pleasure.
us. So basically these penthouses, these 2 penthouses are still available. So अगर आपको उसका visit करना है, you want more information, so you can always contact us or you can contact with the HNS की team and we'll get back to you. And keep watching us, keep follow our channel, see more content. Take care, have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.